Okay, look at me looking all festive. Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today I'm here with a Christmas makeup tutorial. Or if you don't want to wear this for Christmas, it can be like a date night or New Year's. I am coming up with a New Year's look, so stay tuned for that. But it's gonna be this look right here. It's kind of simple. It's gold, browns, a little bit of color in it, but with a red lip, you know, for Christmas. So if you're interested, I mean, keep watching the video. But if you're not, go ahead, bye. But it's okay. I really like this look, and I honestly might just wear this for Christmas if I don't work, of course. Actually, no, I am gonna work. But whenever I celebrate my little Christmas day with my family, I'm gonna be wearing this look because I totally, I enjoyed doing it, and it was easy for me, and it's cute. So, alright, well, let's just get on with the video. Sorry. Alright, so I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So this palette is actually one of my favorites. It has a lot of like sunset colors, and we're gonna be using Rush, Mugshot, and Framed. Oh, and On Camera. So that one, that one, that one, and this one. So yeah, and it's gonna look somewhat like this, but then we're gonna do the whole face, so yeah. So we're just gonna put some concealer on. I'm using the concealer that my makeup school gave me. It's not really a brand. So any base primer, I don't have any primer right now, so that's why I'm using concealer. And we're just gonna put it all over our eyes. So starting off, we're just gonna use like a little fluffy brush like this. It's just a fluffy blending brush. We're gonna go into Rush and just blend it out. That's gonna be our base, and we're gonna put it in our crease. And now going with another fluffy brush, but it's a bit more stiff. We're gonna go with Mugshot. We're gonna go with a more, like a darker brown than this, but it's not the darkest one from the palette. And we're gonna put that in the crease as well. So for the outer, the outer part of the eye, we're gonna try to swoop it up to have like a little wing. We're gonna go back with the color Rush, and we're just gonna blend out that dark brown. We're gonna go in with a stiffer brush, and we're gonna go in with the color Framed, and that's gonna go in our crease line as well, but it's just gonna stay there. And with this color, we're gonna try to wing it out. This brush right here, the one we used for Mugshot, but we're gonna dip this brush into the color Rush, and basically all we're gonna do is just blend it. Now we're just gonna go with a brush with no color. It's just a blending brush. Mine has a little color because I was blending my other eye, but get a brush with no color and just start blending it. Okay, once it's somewhat blended, we're gonna go with a really tiny brush, and we're gonna go back to the color Framed, and we're just gonna line our eyes where we want the purple to be at, just to have a more defined look. Now going back with a brush with no color, we're just gonna blend that again. Now that the blending is done, we're gonna go back to a concealer and we're just gonna clean up to where our crease is. Okay, so once we clean that up, I'm gonna go in with a flat brush, and that's what we're gonna use for the color on camera, which is like a gold color. So we're just gonna put that on the parts we cleaned up on. So actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back with this and I'm just going to create more of like a wing coming into my eye. Okay, so now going on to my face, I'm going to start off by using my Sephora Make No Mistakes foundation sticks or concealer sticks. But I use them for contouring. I have two. I have a dark one and I have a light one. So this is the difference in the color. This one is in Birch 02 and then this one's 13 Walnut. I start off with the lightest color and I just start highlighting my face. And I'm gonna just do a little like stiffly brush. It's kind of stiff and I'm just gonna blend it out. Oh, and this brush, I got it from Sephora because when you become VIB Rouge, you actually get this little brush and it's a gift that they give you. For this one, I just use it to pretty much contour. Contouring before your foundation kind of creates a natural shadow and highlight after you put on your foundation. I'm actually going to go in with the yellow color corrector and I'm going to put it under my eyes because my eyes are really bad eye bags. It has more of a purple tone and yellow cancels out purple. We're gonna go into foundation. I'm using just a regular beauty blender. Then I'm going in with the NARS foundation. So far, I have loved this foundation. I've been using it for a while now, and this one's in the color Valencia. What I also learned is if you put it on your palm, first of all, make sure your hands are clean. But if you put it on your palm, you don't have any like oils on your palm. It won't really like absorb in your skin as if you would put it on the top of your palm. Something new to learn. All of my highlighted areas I'm gonna cover first just because I'm not like that white, so I wanna put some color in there. And what I do with the contour, I just dab it. I don't rub it up and down or nothing because I tried it once and it didn't look good. I'm gonna get concealer and put it under my eyes just so we can do that, and then set it with some powder. Now I'm going in with some powder. I got this powder at the Makeup Shack in California. Don't know if they have another location, but it's in California and Tustin, so you can get that there. I just started using bronzer for my looks. I'm using the Too Faced, the Sun Bunny. It looks like this. I'm gonna use this brush. It's like a little stiff brush. It's actually used for foundation, and it's the MAC 187 SE. It's used for foundation, but I like to use it for my bronzer. I'm just gonna rub that in, and I'm just gonna bronze it out. After bronzing, we're gonna go into like contouring, highlight, and blush. I'm just gonna go back in with my palette. I've had this palette for like a really long time. It came with my makeup bag, but I'm gonna just use a really toned light color. And I learned that if you contour in one direction, mostly like away from your face, it looks smoother. I tried it, I like it. It's a note that I got while I was working at Sephora. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glow Kit, the gold one. Not the lightest color, but the Moonstone. Going with the Crown brush, it's a blush palette. I'm just gonna go with like a bronzy pinkish color. After that, I'm just gonna go with the same bronze brush, and I'm just gonna go a bit over it to bronze a little bit more. Now all I'm gonna do is just set my face. I'm gonna use like a big brush, and I'm just gonna pat on my face. We're gonna have two of these little tiny brushes, okay? One's gonna be the one that we use for the purple, the other one's gonna be used for like the browns that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna go in with Mugshot, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. And then with the other one, we're just gonna go in with Framed. I'm just gonna add these lashes. They're Kiss lashes. I got them at Ulta. If you don't know how to put on lashes, I have a video on how to put on lashes, so you can go ahead and check that out. So I'm going in with this lip liner. Called Italia in Rich Red. I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. It's called Naz for a two. What I'm just gonna do now is I'm gonna go over my lash line, just because the glue probably dried, and it dried up with some gold in it. And by the way, the liner that I use is from Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. And I'm looking for my Marc Jacobs mascara, my favorite. And we're just gonna put mascara on our lower lash line and on our upper lash line, just to blend it out. Not blend it out, just to like blend it in with our fake lashes. Okay, look at me looking all festive. Alright you guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and like this holiday festive look. I know I do, and I honestly might use this look for Christmas that is coming up soon. I hope you guys use this look, and I hope it was like easy to like understand what I was doing, or like it was easy for you to like see what I was doing. Alright, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffany Chere. If you guys do this look, tag me in it. I want to see if anyone does do it. But I'll be back with more videos, maybe a New Year's look. This was more like Christmas because of, you know, the red lip. You know, the gold. But just stay tuned for either that video or other videos just coming soon. I'm trying to think of ideas of like how I would do vlogs, because I literally work and then go home. My life's not that interesting. We did have an earthquake here in Alaska, but I was working, so I mean, I couldn't really work anything. I'll figure something out. But I came up with a makeup tutorial, and here it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be back with more videos as well. Stay tuned for that New Year's look. I'm thinking of stuff already. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye.